Hey guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So good news for today. The Echo RSS feed post generator plugin was declared officially by WPML compatible with their plugin. So they have some tests set up on their part and Echo passed all of them successfully, and now it is officially compatible with WPML. So let me show you how to use the Echo RSS feed post generator plugin together with WPML to generate multi-language posts. So you will please note that this tutorial video is not for general setup of the Echo RSS feed post generator plugin. I have other tutorial videos for this. In this video I will show only how to use the Echo RSS plugin together with WPML. So you will need to install WPML on your site, Echo RSS plugin. In WPML you will need to set up some languages. As you can see here, this site has English default language and also French set up. And now we will be able to create some posts using the Echo RSS plugin and assign some languages to the created posts. So for this, let's create first some English posts, shall we? From TechCrunch for the beginning. And if we click settings here and scroll down to the bottom, we will see assign WPML or polylanguage language to posts. And here simply write EN. This is the language code for the English language, and hit save settings. Now let's check our post from our site. It's empty, no post published, and let's run importing. Now the plugin will import a post and assign the English language to it. So as you can see, the post in English was created. Also, if you wish to create auto add categories for this post, you can do it, and the plugin will support this. And if we recreate the post, we will refresh this and a new category was created. So note that categories are also in separate languages. So for example, in English you will have here the category watch, while in French this category will not be there. Now let's create some French posts. I already have here an RSS feed, and I already set up FR here, which is the language code for French. And let's hit save settings and let's run importing also for this rule. And after the green check mark appeared, if we refresh, a French post will also appear here on our site. Also in the categories, if we refresh categories, we will see that this post has CCIIF category, which are listed in the French categories, and the English category remains the watch. So yeah, this is how simple it is to set up the Echo RSS feed post generator with WPML. Simply add the language code you wish to assign to posts here and you are good to go. You are ready to use the Echo plugin with WPML. So yeah, thank you for watching. You will find Echo RSS feed post generator linked in this video's description. Until next time, if you want more tutorial videos, subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.